Welcome to the StatTree video module for Ordinal Descriptive Statistics. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is summarizing your data. How you visualize ordinal data depends upon how it was scored. This video will cover just the ordinal descriptives, such as ranking preferences for types of shows as measured on the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey as ordinal. Presuming you have already created a summary table for your data, charts are built in Excel based on tables. A video demonstration how to build an appropriate table for an ordinal item on a survey is linked on the Summarizing Ordinal Data in the Text module in StatTree. Open the data file in Excel. Create a new tab by pressing on the plus sign next to the tab labeled Results. Go to the tab at the bottom and change the label from Sheet 2 to Charts. I have created the starting point for this demonstration here using the PEVS dataset. On the Table 2 tab, select the table cells, upon which the stacked bar chart will be built. Go to the Insert menu and press on the Recommended Charts icon. When the Recommended Charts dialog box appears, select Stacked Column and press OK. You can edit chart elements such as the chart title directly in the chart. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. To see the formulas used to create this table in Excel, press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.